Hey, this is Timothy Van Riper coming to you live from the tasting room here at Westport Whiskey and Wine. It's not really live, but whatever, it's going to go with it. Today I'm going to do Bourbon Peach Tea. I'm actually going to feature this on our grand reopening July 2nd here in the tasting room. So if you want to get a little sneak preview before you come out and party with me, here we go. We're going to build this right in the glass. We're going to go ice in the glass first. Then we're going to do 2 ounces of bourbon. I'm doing Russell's 10-year. This stuff is great for the price too. That peach schnapps is super sweet. So this is going to help cut through some of that sweetness. So we're going to do 1 ounce of the peach schnapps. And then give this a stir right in the glass. Like a 10-15 second stir. And then we're going to top the tea. I have slightly sweet tea just because I couldn't find unsweet tea. That's what I prefer myself. But if you want to do sweet tea, you can do sweet tea. I'm going to do a little more ice. And there you have it. Bourbon Peach Tea. Cheers, y'all. We'll see you soon.